Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are vlogging with a special guest here. This is our second time we filmed this intro, but today we're gonna have a pretty fun day, so that's why I decided to vlog it, because I like to vlog when I do stuff that's like actually fun. But we're going to do like our kind of like our late Valentine's Day dinner, because it was too hectic to do it on actual Valentine's Day, so it's a little late, but that's okay. I don't know where we're going. I just know it's in Laguna Beach. So
that's not true. You just saw the place.
Yeah, but I don't know what it is, so it's like the same thing. He accidentally put it on his maps, so he's kind of sad about that. But we're at our favoriteest place ever, because our reservations aren't until 6, so, or 6:30. So we didn't want to eat too much before, so we're just gonna get Starbucks. And the line is so long. Why is the coloring like that? That's weird. But yes, that is what we're doing today, and we're also gonna go to the mall because I need, well, I don't need to, but I want to look around and see if I can find any cute jeans, because I feel like I don't have enough jeans, and he's gonna look for gifts for his parents. I also got my hair redone, you guys. I don't know if you guys can really tell in this lighting, but we did go a little blonder, or put more blonde in it, which I think it looks nice. You can't really tell because I'm wearing this black top. But yeah, I'll show you guys what we get after we get through this line. And then we have to get tire pressure and gas. I totally forgot to show you guys the food item that we got. We just got paninis, but I got a pink drink, and he wanted the kiwi dragon fruit drink, but they didn't have it, so he got a strawberry acai refresher, and I got a pink drink. It's always a great day for Starbucks, I feel like. So yeah, now we're getting gas. And I'm gonna redo nothing. I'm vlogging. I'm redoing my lipstick, so I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury.
I'm driving.
Okay. He's rude. And then we're gonna use our Fenty Heat. I love this lip gloss. It does burn a little bit, but I think it looks really, really cute. So yeah. Really? From Lulu?
Yeah.
We made it to Fashion Island, and we're gonna go into Nordstrom right now. I'm vlogging on my phone because I'm embarrassed to do it anywhere else on my camera. But we're gonna go to Urban, so I'll vlog in there. Look how nice of a day it is. Wow. We just finished from the shopping mall. That was so rude. And
no, don't include that as just a joke. Can you redo it?
no.
It was a joke. We were playing around.
Okay, and so I went and got some stuff at Nordstrom's. So first thing I picked up, I really feel like I just need like a new revamp of my wardrobe, because I just don't have any like staple and basic pieces. So I got this pair of Topshop jeans. I used to live for Topshop jeans, but I don't know what happened. I started just like wearing Zara jeans and Abercrombie, but I got these Topshop straight leg jeans. It's just like a light pair. They don't have any rips in it, which I was looking for because I can't wear ripped jeans to work. So I bought these. They have no holes. They just have a little bit of like fraying at the edge right here, but I think it looks fine. I don't think it looks too much. And then I got two more things from Topshop. I thought Topshop went out of business, but I got this cute little white basic t-shirt. It was only like 12 bucks. And then I got the same one but in a black. And I always like to kind of size up in these. I got this one in an 8 and then this one in a 10, just because like I wanted it a little looser. I don't like my shirts too tight. So that is everything we got. I know I didn't vlog very much, but my feet were honestly kind of hurting from my shoes. But I think we're just gonna chill in the car for a little bit because we're kind of tired, and our reservations aren't until 2 more hours. So we'll probably chill in the car for like a little bit and then go look around the area maybe. I don't know. but I'll probably see you guys there. Look at how cute this area is, you guys. We're on the beach at Laguna. It looks so nice. And all the little stores. There's a lot of traffic right now, but that's okay. We're about 2 minutes away. We're pretty early, but we could just walk around. Hi guys, it's the next day. I was the worst vlogger ever, but I did get some clips of us at dinner. I feel like I was just genuinely trying to live in the moment, you know, and I honestly just kind of forgot. But I think the last clips you saw were of us at dinner. It was honestly so cute. I loved the food. It was so good. I got lobster spaghetti carbonara or something like that, and he got like this steak thing. It was really yummy. But it's Sunday now and I'm back home. I love my Sundays. I'm just gonna continue this vlog because I feel like I didn't get enough footage, so we're gonna continue this vlog off here. It is Sunday. It's like 11 in the morning, and I'm doing my makeup because I really need to film some videos today. So that is why I'm getting ready. Otherwise, I wouldn't be putting makeup on. But yeah, I love my Sundays. I feel like Sundays are just for me and for you too, pretty much. That's all I do on Sundays is film videos and kind of get ready for the work week. Got work tomorrow, which sucks, but we gotta go. And I think I need to do some grocery shopping today. I'm trying to like eat a little healthier and not just eat like pre-made food, but it's really hard because I don't know, it's just hard to cook and to find the energy to cook. But I think I want to meal prep a little bit. I didn't work out today because literally my body was just hurting too much. I have like a strained, I think I strained my calf or something because it's not feeling the greatest. But I have my little makeup bag right here, which is why I'm looking down. But I think I'm just going to like finish doing my makeup and get some videos filmed. I don't know what I'm gonna film today, which is always another struggle for me, is that like I never know like what to film because I'm always running out of ideas. So if you guys know of anything you want me to film, let me know. I think I want to do like a workout favorites because I'm trying to do like a little more lifestyle videos. That's why I've been vlogging a lot more. But yeah, I'm gonna finish doing my makeup and I'll talk to you guys probably after. Wow, my breakouts are like ridiculous today. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll talk to you guys after. It's a little while later. I feel so tired. I already filmed 2 videos. I filmed a like fragrance mist favorites, and I also filmed an Amazon workout clothes kind of video, and I'm so tired. I did my makeup. It was very simple makeup, as you guys can see. I just put on some mascara, but now it's like, what time is it? It is 12:30, and I think I'm gonna be done with filming soon. I should try to film one more video, but I'm kind of lazy, and when I'm not in the mood to film, sometimes I just won't even film. I love to vlog though, so I think soon we're gonna go get some groceries because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. I think I might eat some of these though. My Goldfish flavor blasted in cheddar and sour cream. And I'm gonna watch some Netflix for a little bit and relax just to have a chill day, and then we'll go to the grocery store. I promise I will vlog. I'm at Vaughn's. I really want some kombucha, but I don't know which one I want. I want like a good drink though. So like I mentioned, I did save like $10 using my Vaughn's card. I almost forgot to put that in because I don't normally shop at Vaughn's, but I don't know. Trader Joe's, I've been kind of tired of their food. So I was like, let me just go to Vaughn's. And because I really wanted like good fruits. Like I feel like Trader Joe's doesn't have like the greatest produce in my opinion. Like they don't have mangoes or like great strawberries. So that is what I got. I should have gotten a drink. Oh, that's what I forgot to get, was a drink, because it was so busy in there and I forgot to get a cart. I only had a little basket and my arm was like killing me. This is really great lighting. I'm very happy about it. But I think, should I get a drink? Probably shouldn't, but I really want to. I don't know. I don't think I will, but I'm gonna go home now, put away these groceries, and eat something because it's like 1 o'clock and I still haven't eaten. Why do I do this to myself? I shouldn't have shopped while I was starving, but that's okay. I got some good stuff. I really wanted to eat more fruit for work and stuff, just like as a snack. So I got a bunch of fruits. Been obsessed with mangoes, and also some like bread for like avocado toast and sandwiches because that's just like super easy to make. So yeah, we're gonna go home now. So I just used like this little like Impress by Kiss manicure like fake nail thing. I usually use the glue-ons, but this time I did the press-on just because I wanted to test it out, and I think they look really good. I have a really bad habit of like chewing on the sides of my hands and biting my nails, so I really just wanted like a simple manicure sort of thing to help me prevent biting my nails. So I got these and I think they look super cute. I honestly really like the short length because for work I can't really be having like super long nails. But yeah, I mean, you can see a little bit of air bubbles, but that's just what happens when you have a super light color. But yeah, I'm gonna be picking out my hygiene products with you guys. So I think I want to use this Twisted Peppermint shower gel from Bath & Body Works. I haven't used this yet and it smells really good, pepperminty. And I think I'm going to use this deodorant, which is my new fave. This is the Native Mint Cookie Cupcake. Super good. It smells super strong. And I feel like it would pair nicely with that body lotion. I don't have like a minty body lotion, so I'm just going to go in with my honey one. I know it doesn't really make sense, but that's okay. I think it'll go fine. Doing pretty good on this for my project. And scent, we might just have to do a frosted coconut snowball because I think these would go well. So yeah, that is my hygiene products for the night. I know I didn't really like match everything beautifully, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, and you kind of just like mix and match different things. Also, I want to tell you guys, this is a really good scrub. I got this during the semi-annual sale and I love it so freaking much. This is Sunrise Woods, but that is pretty much all I'm gonna vlog today. I know it was kind of a short vlog, but I don't want to like bore you guys because literally I don't do anything crazy on Sundays. I should have cleaned my room, didn't do that, but I was too lazy. Did do my nails though, so yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching this vlog. I hope it was somewhat fun and interesting, but yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!